Okay, this is problems number 7 and number 8 from Worksheet H4-5. Here we go with number 7. Number 7 says 2t plus 7 is greater than or equal to 13, or we have 5t minus 4 is less than 6. So this one is a disjunction, so we're going to be looking at the union of the solution set. Here we go. 2t plus 7 is greater than or equal to 13. Let's go ahead and let's rewrite that one, and then we'll solve it, okay? All right. So we're going to start out by subtracting 7 from each side. We have 2t is greater than or equal to 6. And then we're going to divide by 2 on each side. And if you get that t is greater than or equal to 3, you did a great job. Now we're going to include our or in our statement. And now we're going to simplify the other side. We'll do that one in blue. Let's add 4 to each side. We have 5t is less than 10. And then when we divide each side by 5, we're going to get t is less than 2. If you got that, you did a great job again. This is what we're going to graph. So let's take it here, and we're going to say 2 is less than 3. So we're going to put it on the left side, and then we're going to put 3 on the right side. When we take our t is less than 2, that's going to be an open circle that goes to the left. And when we do our t is greater than or equal to 3, we're going to do a closed circle, and it's going to go to the right. So therefore, we don't really have to worry about any overlap and connection here. Our final solution will look just the same. It'll be t is less than 2, or t is greater than or equal to 3. If you got that, you did awesome. Let's go ahead and move on to number 8. Number 8 says 2x plus 3 is greater than 1, and 5x minus 9 is less than or equal to 6. This one's going to be a conjunction. These ones are extra fun. Let's go for it. Let's go ahead and solve the first one. 2x plus 3 is greater than 1. So first thing, we're going to subtract that 3 from each side. So we should have 2x is greater than negative 2. When we divide each side by 2, we should have x is greater than negative 1. We'll definitely include our and in between them because we want to do a good job. Now let's go to the 5x minus 9 is less than or equal to 6. We'll add our 9 to each side. So we now have 5x is less than or equal to 15. Then when we divide each side by 5, we're going to get that x is less than or equal to 3. If you got that, you're on the right track. Let's keep going. Okay, now we want to graph. We're going to put our negative 1 on the left side, and we're going to put our 3 on the right side. When we take these and we graph them now, x is greater than negative 1. So that one's an open circle, and it goes to the right. For our x is less than or equal to 3, we're going to put a closed circle, and that one's going to go to the left. So when we're looking for that intersection between the two graphs, remember, it's all of the ones that are solutions to both inequalities. So our final answer is going to be everything from negative 1 all the way to positive 3. And we're going to include that positive 3 in our answer. If we want to write our answer as a compound inequality, it's going to be negative 1 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 3. If you got that, you're rocking. Good job. Those are the answers for number 7 and number 8 from Worksheet H4-5. Great job, everybody! Yay!